Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we will discuss about goto statement in C. So goto statement is an unconditional control or jump statement used to transfer program execution directly to a specified label point within the same function. So the syntax is just like goto, we can use label name, then semicolon. And after some statement we can use this label name full colon, then we can use our statement here. So in between these statements, any statement is there that will not execute. Okay. So there are two type of go to statement. One is forward jump. Here the label appears later in the code, skipping over the intermediate operations. Suppose we can check with one example. Suppose here we have different print statement. Okay, this is statement 1, and copy this statement 2 and statement 3. We can change statement 2 and statement 3. Then we will run this code. Here we can put slash and also new line. Okay, we will run this. We will get statement 1, statement 2, and statement 3. Okay, suppose this is a block of code, statement 2. Okay, so suppose after statement 1, we don't want to execute the statement 2. So in that case, we can use this forward jump. So here we can use go to, we can use any label or anything, label, just like label end. Then semicolon. We need to jump to here. So we can use this label and full colon. Okay. So this statement one will execute. After that, it will come go to label end. So it will skip this portion, this statement to block. It will move to label end. We will run this. We will get statement 1 and statement 3. So this is the forward jump. So here some operation will be skipped. Okay. Next is the backward jump. The label appears earlier in the code, which creates a looping mechanism. Okay. So it will act like a loop. Suppose we have one variable int I equal to 1. Here we are checking if I less than 10, then we are using go to next num. Okay. So this next number we are pasting here. So here the label appears earlier in the code. Okay. So in the next num, we are just printing the value. Printf percentage d I. Then we can tell I plus plus. So what will happen? I equal to 1. Then it will print 1 I plus plus. If I less than 10, yes. Then it will go to here and it will print. So this will act like a loop. So we will run this. We are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. Here we can put slash t. So we'll run this. It will act like a loop. So this is the backward jump. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.